Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and today I am doing something a little different. I decided I wanted to, I guess in a sense, journal this challenge. And the challenge I'm speaking of is the 90-day home cooking challenge. That is something that my love and I have given ourselves. We were married about 7 months ago, and since then, he and I both have packed on a few pounds, and I'm thinking mainly because we have hectic lifestyles and our work schedules rotate so much that sometimes we end up eating out more than we eat in. And so we want to just challenge ourselves to just eat a little healthier, do a little meal prepping, and save a little money because we've got some trips coming up later in the year. And so we want to save as much as we can. I figured, why not do a grocery haul? I've seen guys do these and I actually enjoy watching them. So why not get in on the fun? So I'm showing you guys, this is one side. I'm hoping that I purchase enough to carry us for at least 2 weeks, but I'll keep you posted on how things go. But just want to pan over everything, and then I'll go into the details of everything that I got. And I did use some budget-friendly techniques to save and purchase some things in quantity, but mainly just shopping smart and planning ahead. So I'm going to go into the details of everything. Now, in my area, we have a Dollar General. I'm showing you the tissue down there. We have a Dollar General because the reason I showed you the tissue is that at Dollar General on Saturdays, if you spend, I think it's $25, you get an extra $5 off, and then you can use their in-store coupon. So for me, that's a way to take advantage of some savings. So I'll go on their app, download my coupons, and then go in and proceed with my shopping. So I'd used that technique here lately. It's been working out pretty well for me. Helps me with savings on just weekly items. But let me just show you guys. So just a quick overview. I absolutely love this. I know it has nothing to do with each other, but I love this Palmolive mainly because the color matches my kitchen. And I love the scent. It's a citrus, aloe and citrus. It smells so good. So I always pick that up. Got that for now. These items are from Walmart and Dollar General. So the cleaning stuff is going to be from Dollar General, but most of the grocery are from Walmart. Okay, my husband loves the beef salami, so we figured we'd do some sandwiches for him for lunch. I got some strawberries. I'm going to do a strawberry shortcake for tomorrow, and then just have some fruit for lunch later on. I'll cut them up and pre-bag them, so hopefully that'll help us there. We both love Canada Dry, and I want to get him off of those Cokes, so hopefully this helps. And they are 3 for $3 at Dollar General pretty much every week, so I always get those for us. Then I just got some Sara Lee bread. The Lay's potato chips were 2 for $5, and then they had another coupon for an additional, I think it was $1 off or something like that. So I got those for lunch and just having sandwiches. Chex Mix. I picked these up just for him to take because they are the divider tag-alongs. I picked them up from Dollar General because I was getting an extra coupon off, so I got those. Here's just some Grill Master marinade mix. I'm gonna do that for our dinner tomorrow and hopefully cook enough to where we can have leftovers for a couple of days. I'm gonna do a mushroom gravy along with the rice. Then I'm gonna do this whipping cream is for whipped topping, is for my strawberry shortcake. We're gonna do a quiche tomorrow. We have company coming in, so we're gonna do brunch for them. So with that, we had to get quite a bit of eggs. We love eggs anyway, but we got a little extra because we're gonna do quiche tomorrow. These are the cleaning products that went along with the Palmolive and the tissue, because you get, an additional discount for buying a certain quantity of it. So I love my Cascade gel caps. I'm a Clorox girl, so my Clorox cleanup, my Clorox wipes, and I did some trash bags. So I got all of that, you guys, all of my cleaning supplies, and the chips, and the Canada Dry tissue. Saved about 15 to 20 bucks there with the coupon and everything, so I thought that was a great deal. Then we're going to pan over to this side. You guys, on this side, most of the items will be coming from Walmart. Here we purchased lettuce and tomatoes for taco salad, as well as the on the border chips. I picked up a couple of rotisserie chickens just to do a chicken and rice broccoli casserole. I picked up some Angus burgers for burgers. Of course, I have to have my Land O'Lakes butter. I got some Belvita breakfast cookies just for breakfast. I also picked up some sun-dried tomatoes for the quiche. I got the ballpark hot dogs. Oh, and this cranberry black cherry juice is from Dollar General. My husband loves that. We picked up, of course, the Angel Food, the cake for the strawberry shortcake. Those little 7-Up cupcakes are delicious. That's our little treat. And I got turkey sausage as well as turkey links. I got rice cakes. I love the ballpark hamburger buns as well as the hot dog buns. I got some of those. I got shrimp just for dinners during the week. I got those Cheez-Its just for lunch snacks. I got spinach for quiche, cheese for taco salad, as well as the quiche. I tried to plan everything out so that we could do breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the next 2 weeks. And I think I've done pretty good. We got just some roasted red pepper chips just for snacks. Those Gorditos are also snacks. Strawberries there are for the strawberry shortcake. Again, some snack crackers. Got to get your fruit in. Got some bananas as well as those grapes. I love those grapes, rice, and then the cereal. So hopefully you guys, this can cover us for the next 2 weeks. I spent a total cost of $150. So if it works out, that'll be $75 a week for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'll keep you guys posted on how well we do with this no fast food or no eating out challenge. Please hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. So until the next video, I want you guys to have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.